look at that bubbling. Here, you take. Wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got an awesome product to show you today. It's not something you might be thinking about right now in the winter if you're in the north, but if you're in the south, you're probably hitting your prime camping season, and we have a great food product for you for cooking awesome campfire pizzas and a few other things. This is kind of a luxury item. It's not something you probably will bring on every camping trip, but you know, if you know a weekend you want to make some pizza, wood-fired pizza, this is your item. Pretty budget friendly, and it has multiple uses. We've used it out at the campfire, we've used it tailgating at our son's college football games, and we've used it outside on the deck at home. So multiple uses, really something you'll get a lot of use out of. Portable, really nice. And here it is with the case on it. This is the Vevor outdoor 12-inch pizza oven, wood-fired pizza or pellets, charcoal, multiple use, multiple fuels you can use. You can use pellets, wood, or charcoal. Makes a really nice wood-fired pizza. It gets super hot. They say it takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook. One of the biggest things that we like about it is it's very portable. One negative thing I'll start out with is the carry case is not great. So we're gonna undo it for you. It's got these handles, which is nice. This part sticks out though, and that's where the pellet hopper goes. So, kind of makes packing a little, but it's got these clips. And it kind of just wraps right over it. You can keep it like this. I lay this down because that's kind of in the way. So let's take it out and have a look at it. There's really not much assembly to it. Now this, if you were to travel with it like that, that's another end that sticks out, so I turn it around backwards. So it makes 12-inch pizzas. This is the pizza stone that comes with it. You gotta be careful so you don't break this. But this is what does the magic. I've been keeping it in the little bubble wrap packaging just to keep it safe. So this is the hopper where the wood chips go, or the pellets. You want to use a combination. One thing we've learned is pellets get really hot. So it's got legs on it, foldable leg. That just fits in there. Here's the door. There's a little notch up under here that you gotta go in for it to catch, and then that's it. The pellet hopper goes in the back. Apologies for the it's 20 degrees today, so it's a little really nice thermal insulation. Multiple fuel sources, so wood pellets, wood chips, and charcoal. Right now on the Vevor website, it's only $130. You can get, if you register and sign up, I think you can get $10 off. So it's pretty affordable. And the nice thing is it's portable. It weighs 21 pounds, foldable legs. The smokestack comes off. Like I said, the big negative would be the carry case. I wish they had just like a regular nice case where everything would fit in there, and the handles and everything, so you don't have handles protruding. But it's not something you're going to use on every trip. It comes with a little case for the pizza stone, which we haven't been using, and they give you a little scooper for the wood pellets. I don't have that in front of me, but. And then we went online and bought, you can go on Amazon or somewhere and find a pizza cutter and I forgot the exact name, but the scoopy thing to get the pizza in and out. You can get those two things as a combination thing to add to it. It does not come with that. So you slide it in. So the biggest thing is they advise you to, it has a nice instruction booklet and manual and some recipe tips. So they give you the nice user manual, all the tips and stuff. A couple of safety notes. You don't want flames coming out the back. You want that back pellet tray fully pushed in. Then they give you a little recipe guide. Homemade pizza dough, homemade pizza marinara. They talk about veggie avocado pizza. I don't know about that. Oven seared ribeye steaks, you could throw those in there. Oh, buffalo wings, that would be good too. They would cook really good. Baked salmon. So it's definitely a versatile piece of food camping thing. And Vevor is a pretty good company. We have their one of their lithium battery chargers that we bought on our own. So they have tons of products on their website. Check them out. So this is an awesome, versatile, and portable pizza oven, and I'll show you those in just a minute. But the most important thing they advise is 15 to 20 minutes preheating, because you want to get the stone super hot, which we're still learning with that, because otherwise the crust on the bottom is going to be a little soft, because the top cooks insanely fast. Like, it's very hot in there, but it's a great flavor if you're using some pellets and chips mixed. The pellets burn hotter and faster. The wood will burn a little slower, so you have a nice balance in there. But 15 to 20 minutes, fill up the hopper and burn through a whole thing to get it really, really hot before you put your pizza in there, so the crust will get on the bottom will get a little firmer. We're from Chicago, so we like Chicago thin anyway, really thin. But she used regular dough, pre-made dough, and we've used the pre-made pizzas forms, and then she used dough that was already in a blob. So either way, you can do both.
Thing in there, but you gotta hurry up because this is a bit of. Yeah, there's flame.
Nice.
It's looking good.
Oh, it's hot.
Wow.
Another thing we haven't tried yet is like some calzones or some hot sandwiches. Open face in there would be cool. Lots of uses. I think you could come up with some creative stuff, which we will be doing. We've been using it for probably 2 or 3 months now at the tailgating games, which worked out great. You know, you can roll up and tailgate, cook some pizza on the back of the truck. All the kids love it. Football players. You go to the beach with it, use it there, put it in your camper, take it out. If you're a small camper like us or Overlander with just your truck, you're not going to want to bring it on every trip. But if you want to have a weekend where you're going to make some pizzas, it works out great. If you have a bigger camper, you can just store it in there and bring it out whenever you want. Really easy method of cooking. You don't really need gas or any of that stuff. So it's pretty awesome. I don't think you really want to use it in 20 below zero and stuff, because it's going to be hard to get it hot, but who knows. She's already thinking about breakfast pizza, taco pizza, dessert pizza, all kinds of stuff you could do. Check it out. It's really affordable. We'll put a discount link in the description. You just can't beat a wood-fired pizza. Really nice. Cooks so fast. The only thing is, I just wish they would give a better storage bag, like I said. They say you can bake a 12-inch pizza in 90 seconds. Ours has been about 3 to 4 minutes. Oh, another thing that's very important when you're using it, you gotta take the pizza out and rotate it almost every 30 seconds or a minute, because when that stuff's in there, that flame is coming out super hot. So you want to keep turning it, because the heat doesn't come all the way. The flame's over here, about halfway, and you want to get all sides nice and toasty. It says the max temperature would be 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a 12-inch pizza stone, and overall it weighs 20 pounds. I think it's a great product. You can't really go wrong for the price. You're not spending too much, and it's something fun to do. You know, we've cooked pizza in the Dutch oven before on the campfire, and that's a little trickier to not burn the bottom. And I feel like this is just as easy, if not easier, and it's just fun. You could have a table. We saw another guy at tailgating who had one similar. They had 4 or 5 pizzas laid out, and everybody was making their own pizza. Shove it in, out. You got to keep reloading the pellets, though, because you want to keep that flame going. It's not too often. I think we used maybe 2 full hoppers of pellets when we did it. So we haven't tried it really. We tried it with wood chips, but they started just smoking too much, and you want the flame to be up in there. So wood chips and pellets, or even some small little pieces of actual wood, or it says charcoal as well. I believe it's made out of stainless steel, so it's pretty durable. It's not going to rust, and it doesn't even feel like 20 pounds. It's not bad at all. Just be very careful. It does get very hot, so you don't want to have animals or kids touching it. But let us know what you guys think if you decide to try one. Look for it in some future videos. We'll definitely be making some pizzas every so often. It's a lot of fun, and it just tastes. You can't beat a good homemade tasting wood-fired pizza. and it's way cheaper than ordering pizza at a restaurant. We appreciate you guys checking it out. We like to bring gear stuff out to you that we may think you might use. This is a sponsored video. You know, she loves her cooking and specialty camp cooking, and this is just another thing to facilitate that. We have started winter camping. Look for our winter videos on Thursday, trip videos on Thursdays, gear videos on Tuesdays, and please give us a like, follow, leave us a comment what you think, and we will see you soon.